Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore retention campaigns using Braze in mobile apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore retention campaigns using Braze in mobile apps, begin by logging into your Braze. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your user data. Identify the target audience for your retention campaign. Analyze past engagement metrics to determine segments with declining retention rates. Create a new campaign from the Campaigns section of the Braze dashboard. Select the retention type to focus on re-engaging users. Define the campaign's parameters, including the timeframe and goals. Choose your messaging channels, such as push notifications, in-app messages, or emails. Personalize your content based on user behavior and preferences. Utilize Braze segments to fine-tune your audience selection. Craft compelling messaging that addresses user needs or offers incentives. Add any necessary A/B tests to evaluate message effectiveness. Set up triggers for sending messages, like user inactivity over a specific duration. Review the timing of your messages to maximize open and engagement rates. Launch your retention campaign after double-checking all components. Monitor the campaign's performance in real-time analytics. Adjust strategies as necessary based on user interactions and feedback. Gather insights from the campaign results to refine future retention efforts. Continuously iterate on your messaging and targeting for ongoing improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.